Hello, Salesforce administrators, developers, and data migration and integration specialists. Thank you for being here. I would like to introduce you to the Salesforce Data Dictionary Creator by Aegis Softworks. SDDC is designed to very rapidly create data dictionaries and field maps. Typical use case, you can be in and out in less than 30 seconds. Even doing a full export of an entire Salesforce org, you'll probably be done in under a minute. So let's see how this works. Step one, naturally, is log into Salesforce. So we are going to put in our username and a password and security token. We can switch between production and sandbox orgs, and then we click log in. There we go, step one complete. The credentials are auto-saved, so you don't have to type them in the next time, and you can disable that feature if you would like in the credentials menu. Step two is select your objects. So let's go with account, contact, and lead, opportunity, product, and user. We can save this selection of objects as an object set by clicking on the save icon down here. We'll save it, give it a name, and there we go. So the next time we get here, actually, it will auto-load the most recent object set, so you don't even have to click on these buttons. Move on to step three, finally, which is the export step, which mostly is just click on the export button. But if you'd like, there is a preview window here to show you what's going to be put out into the spreadsheet, and there's a list of columns here on the left, so you can select which ones you want and customize it. Double check something really quick. There we go. The default export style is data dictionary. So let's create one of those, data dictionary, and there we go. It put the file on the desktop. We can open it by clicking on the link in the message log. All right, the first tab is an object summary for all the objects that we exported. I am trying to figure out how to get record counts into here, by the way, so stay tuned for that. The next tab shows all of the available pick list values for all of the pick list fields that were exported. We also included the record types in this tab because they are similar enough to pick lists, so it mostly works. And then finally, we have all of the object tabs. There is one tab per exported object. All the columns that you selected in step three should be here. Most of them are just a dump from the Salesforce Partner API, but there are also a few that required some additional efforts, such as the Microsoft SQL Server data type. Additional data types are on the roadmap, of course, such as MySQL, PostgreSQL, and Oracle. And we do take requests if you do need a specific output. All right, let's go back to SDDC. And I think you just saw this a moment ago, but here in the settings menu, we can switch between data dictionary and field map export styles. So let's see what happens when we export a field map instead of a data dictionary. The object summary and the pick list values tabs are exactly the same as the data dictionary style. The difference in the field map export is the object tabs. If you've ever built a field map, this should look pretty familiar to you, but we have the target Salesforce fields on the left, and then we have a middle section for source fields, and then there is a technical section on the right with some pre-written SQL code that should be fairly useful. I could probably talk for 2 or 3 hours on this topic alone, but I don't think we have time for that in this video. All right, final demonstration. Let's pretend it's a week later and we need a new data dictionary because your project team has been building like crazy and they haven't documented anything. Normally at this point, you'd probably be checking to see how many Valium you have left, but with SDDC, maybe you can save that for drinks later tonight. So let's see how long it takes to generate a new export. Start the program, it automatically logged in. Step 2 automatically selected the objects. And step 3, we just click export. And then we save it, field map 2. And yeah, about 15 seconds. Now we've got our second field map. So that's it. That's the end of our show. New features are planned for SDDC, so keep an eye out. We also take feature requests. You can buy SDDC on our website at aegissoftworks.com. Thank you for watching our video.